give you a brief description and simple tips how to prepare the leaf epidermal slides for the study of the leaf anatomy, physiology, and also used for morphological purpose of the anatomical studies of the leaf. There are 7 steps to study the leaf anatomy by using microscopy. The material you need: the test tube holder, the leaf, the price tape or the mounting tape, the dissecting box, slides, and the chemicals you need for microscopic study includes nitric acid, lactic acid. First step to study the leaf epidermal anatomy is the collection of the fresh leaf from the plant. So this is the first step to collect the leaf. Second step is to clean the leaf by tissue. So this is the second step to clean the leaf. It is the third step to cut the leaf into small pieces before the boiling. Here you see the leaf is cut into small pieces. Here you see the small pieces of the leaves are put into a test tube that is held by test tube holder. Here the fourth step is to use the lactic acid, which is about 75%, to put in a test tube. So this is the chemical that is used for leaf epidermal anatomy. Here you see it's the lactic acid. Here you see to put a few drops of nitric acid in this lactic acid solution in order to make the leaf soft and to remove the pigments of the leaf. Here you see that the small pieces of the leaves in the test tubes are now for boiling by spirit lamp. So this process takes about 4 to 5 minutes, and while the time is increased or decreased depends upon the thickness of the leaves. This process makes the leaves delicate, soft, and easily the epidermal will removed and peeled off. Here you see after 4 to 5 minutes the boiling of the leaves, the pigments removed and they become transparent. When they become transparent, then it is used for slide preparation. Here you see now the boiling leaf epidermal pieces are put into a petri dish with a distilled water. So this distilled water makes the small pieces neat and clean. Here you see the peel off are separated from lactic acid solution and put into a distilled water to make these pieces are peel off neat and clean for further to use for slide preparation. Here you see the camel brush is used to remove the debris from the peel off of the leaf epidermis to make this leaf epidermis more clean and neat for slide preparation. So this is another important step for removing the debris from peel off. Now we put this small piece of leaf and peel off on a slide. Here you see we have put 2 small pieces of the epidermis on a glass slide. One is adaxial surface and other one is abaxial surface. Adaxial surface is towards the sun while the abaxial surface is towards the ground. To study both adaxial and abaxial epidermis surface under microscope. Now we are putting some drops of lactic acid to further clean the epidermis. So this lactic acid makes this slide more neat and clean to remove the pigments. We are going to put a cover slip on prepared section of epidermis. Now take this slide to write a code of this slide as mentioned the name of the plant. Now this slide is ready to study under light microscope to study a different epidermal structures including stomata, epidermal cells, subsidiary cells, guard cells, trichomes and other elements of the epidermis. Now we are going to study this prepared slide under light microscope. Here you fix the slide under light microscope there are different lenses of this light microscope, which is Meiji light microscope. Where you see it's a Meiji light microscope that's branded by Japan. Last steps to study the prepared slide under light microscope to capture the photograph, microphotographs. These are the quantitative and qualitative characters of leaf epidermal anatomy. Here you see these are the qualitative and quantitative characteristics of epidermal anatomy under light microscope study. This is the photograph that is attached micro camera with this microscope to show this photograph of leaf anatomy on a screen of computer. Here you see different types of the epidermal cells, mostly the polygonal cells, the parasitic stomata, and the non-glandular trichome, as well as the glandular trichome. Here you see under the light microscopic study of the epidermal of the leaf. Here you see these are the quantitative information of the leaf epidermal anatomy that includes the quantitative measurements of epidermal cells, guard cells, stomata, subsidiary cells, stomatal pores, and guard cells. Here you see it is a qualitative data that is taken under light microscopic study that includes the leaves conditions, stomata, stomatal appearance, stomatal frequency, epidermal cell shapes, lobes, anticlinal walls, and at the same time you study different types of trichome, their shapes, their qualitative characteristics. So this is a complete simplest way to study the leaf epidermal anatomy under the light microscopic study.